Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today. I'm pleased to welcome you to this presentation on ER and E's compliance, a key regulatory pillar of CSV. Today, we'll explore the importance of compliance in our regulatory framework, its role within CSV, and how it helps ensure our processes are robust and reliable. I look forward to sharing insights and engaging with you throughout this session. Let's get started. Computer System Validation, or CSV, is a crucial documented process in regulated industries like pharmaceuticals and life sciences. Its main goal is to ensure that a computer system consistently performs as intended, meeting predefined specifications. This is vital for maintaining data integrity, ensuring quality, and protecting patient safety. The process involves careful planning and a series of testing stages: design qualification, installation qualification, operational qualification, and performance qualification, to confirm the system's reliability and security. Ongoing monitoring is also essential to demonstrate that the system continues to operate correctly throughout its entire lifecycle, from initial concept to retirement. CSV is mandatory in GXP-regulated environments, emphasizing the importance of compliance with strict regulatory standards. It focuses on safeguarding patient safety, maintaining product quality, and ensuring data integrity. These principles are mandated by regulations such as GMP, GAMP5, and specific rules like FDA 21 CFR Part 11. Overall, CSV is about establishing confidence that the systems we rely on are working correctly, securely, and in compliance with all relevant rules, supporting the integrity of the entire life cycle of a product or process. Let's take a closer look at ER, or electronic records. These are data that are created, modified, and stored electronically, which means they exist in digital form rather than on paper. This allows for easier access, management, and sharing of information within organizations. Now, moving on to ES, or electronic signatures. Think of these as digital approvals that are linked to a specific individual. They serve as a secure way to verify who approved or authorized a document or transaction electronically. When we combine ER and ES, they work together to ensure the authenticity of the records, meaning we can trust that the information is genuine. They also promote accountability, since each electronic signature is linked to a person, and traceability, meaning we can track who made what changes and when. Understanding these concepts is essential because they form the backbone of digital record-keeping, which is a key part of maintaining compliance, security, and efficiency in today's digital environment. So, in essence, ER and ES help us trust and verify the integrity of our electronic data. Let's take a closer look at the regulatory landscape for electronic records and signatures. First, 21 CFR Part 11 explicitly mandates controls for electronic records and signatures, ensuring that these systems are reliable and compliant. Moving over to Europe, the EU GMP Annex 11 sets out requirements for secure electronic data and proper approval processes, emphasizing the importance of data security and integrity. The World Health Organization and PIC-S also place a strong emphasis on data integrity through the ALCOA Plus principles, which stand for attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, and additional aspects like complete, consistent, and enduring. These principles are fundamental to maintaining trustworthy data. It's critical to understand that compliance with ER and ES regulations is not optional. It's a legal obligation. Non-compliance can lead to serious regulatory consequences. So, whether you're operating in the US, Europe, or other regions, adhering to these requirements is essential for maintaining your license to operate and ensuring patient safety. This highlights how integral ER and ES compliance are within the broader framework of regulatory standards we've been discussing today. Now, let's look at how the system demonstrates its capability to handle electronic data securely. This is a crucial aspect because protecting sensitive information is at the core of our system's design. It ensures that data is managed in a way that maintains confidentiality and integrity throughout its life cycle. Next, we have user access control and authorization. This means that only authorized individuals can access certain data or perform specific actions, which helps prevent unauthorized use or breaches. It's all about making sure the right people have the right level of access. We also want to highlight the importance of validating audit trails and change history. This allows us to track who did what and when, providing accountability and transparency. In case of any discrepancies or issues, these records are invaluable for investigation and resolution. Finally, our system ensures compliance throughout its entire lifecycle. From initial setup to ongoing maintenance, we adhere to all relevant standards and regulations, which is essential for building trust and ensuring legal and regulatory adherence. Connecting all these points back to our overall theme, it's clear that the role of EREs in CSV is foundational. It guarantees that data handling is secure, controlled, transparent, and compliant, key factors for the success of any data management strategy. Now, let's look at how ER&Es support the ALCOA plus principles. First, attributable means that every record should be linked to a specific user through signatures. This ensures accountability. Next, legible refers to maintaining readable electronic records, so information is clear and understandable when needed. Contemporaneous is about making sure entries are time-stamped, providing an accurate timeline of actions. Then, original and accurate emphasize controlling how data is created and changed, which helps prevent errors and ensures integrity. Importantly, these practices also prevent data manipulation and falsification. Overall, these principles are essential for maintaining data integrity and supporting ALCOA plus standards, which are fundamental to trustworthy data management in our industry. Let's talk about how EREs enable secure and non-editable audit trails. This means we can accurately track who did what, when they did it, and why. This level of detail is critical, especially during inspections, investigations, or recalls, where transparency and accountability are essential. Having a reliable audit trail ensures that every action is recorded securely, preventing tampering or unauthorized changes. This traceability supports trust in the system and helps us quickly identify issues or verify compliance. Ultimately, it's about creating a transparent environment where every step is documented clearly, reinforcing the integrity of our processes. Let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits of our system. First, it significantly minimizes the risk of unauthorized access, which is crucial for maintaining data security and integrity. By controlling who can access what, we reduce the chances of malicious or accidental breaches. Next, it helps prevent data loss, overwriting, and backdating. This means that once information is entered, it's protected from being accidentally erased or altered, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of our records over time. Additionally, the system supports deviation management and CAPA, corrective and preventive actions. This is essential for continuously improving our processes and quickly addressing any issues that arise, helping us stay compliant and maintain quality standards. All of these features come together to strengthen our overall quality management system, or QMS. By integrating these controls, we create a more robust framework that promotes consistency, accountability, and continuous improvement. And that ties directly into the broader theme of risk management and system control. By proactively managing risks and maintaining tight system controls, we're building a more resilient and trustworthy operation. Let's talk about the importance of having validated ER&Es functionality. Regulators really expect these features to be properly validated to ensure the system works as intended. When ER&Es are missing or not validated, it can lead to serious issues. For example, there have been 483 observations related to this, which is quite significant. These gaps can also result in warning letters and citations for data integrity, which can impact our reputation and compliance standing. Now, on the flip side, if we include CSV files with ER&Es, it greatly enhances our inspection confidence. This all ties back to our overall goal of being inspection-ready and compliant at all times. Having validated and documented ER and E's functionality isn't just about meeting regulatory requirements. It's about building trust and ensuring the integrity of our data throughout the process. And E's are really the core pillars of an effective CSV. They ensure that we maintain compliance, data integrity, and ultimately build trust in our systems. These elements are not just best practices, they are mandatory when it comes to regulated computerized systems. Without strong ER and E's, our CSV efforts could be compromised, risking noncompliance and data issues. On the other hand, having a solid foundation in ER and E's leads to a more robust CSV process and sustainable compliance over time. So, in summary, focusing on these pillars is crucial for the success and integrity of our validation efforts. They help us stay aligned with regulations and ensure the reliability of our data and systems moving forward. For further support, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help you with any questions or additional information you might need. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to assisting you in your next steps.